We had some cracks on the RoboPop popcorn machine. The machine get these cracks during the delivery. The question is how to change the hoppers and how to change the side. Let's see. The hoppers fixed by the 4 wing nuts at the top. Let's remove the wing nuts and see what happens. Some customer thought that this part attached to the hoppers or these parts they fix it inside the hoppers, but no. And also the motor by itself, they do not fix it at the hopper. It's all separate, so it's quite easy to change the hoppers. All you need to do, just push a little bit and remove it. Once you get the spare parts, take it and install. Now just put the screws back and fix the hoppers. Done! We did it, we changed the hoppers. How to fix this side? So first, also unscrew these screws and another one. The side is fixed quite good, so then you will need to remove this part and another one. That part will fix the door from the right, and these bolts, this part will fix the door from the left. But finally you can just remove all this part and change the side door. There is heat insulation here, and if you will remove it, you can find the internal chamber part. So this is exactly the working chamber where the corn pops. And by the way, this insulation, this is from the Soviet Union space program, from the Soviet Union shuttle named Buran. They use the very same insulation, and actually the company buy it from the same supplier. As for the spare parts, we have almost all spare parts here in the Jacksonville. If you will need some spare parts, you will just need to explain us what exactly you need, so we will find the code of the spare part in our CRM system. So all the parts here have the codes, and this is how we can easily find that exactly we should send to you. So this is very critical for us to understand which code you will need, and then when we realize what exactly you need, which code, we can easily identify have we have this code in stock in Jacksonville, or should we send it from our main office in Russia. So once you have the right part, first put this part inside these holes, and only after this lock the screws. Push a little bit and then put it in the right place. Almost done. Now put this mechanism, fix the screw, another one screw, another one screw, and the last one in the bottom, and you will be done. Once you put all the screw on its place, just fix the door. Done. You just change the side door.